So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. If you have any Samsung a smartphone model do you have and you successfully hard resetted your smartphone, and when you configure your smartphone your phone will asking to enter your Gmail ID account detail, but you don't have the correct Gmail ID. So in this video I can show you how can you easily unlock your smartphone by using this service center offline method without using computer and without using any kind of software tool. In just only 5 minutes you can unlock any Samsung model at your home at free of cost. So let's start the video first. You can see here my friend, there are two versions of Android Samsung smartphone. If you have Android 10, 11, 12, 13, so this is the older version of Android, and if you have the latest 14, 15, 16 Android version, so this is the latest Android version of smartphone. So in this video I can show you if you have any type of Android versions in your Samsung smartphone, so how can you unlock your smartphone at just 5 minutes. First of all, if you have older Android version, so you don't required to connect the charging cable, but if you have the latest Android version, so you have to connect only the charging cable. Means you can see here I have a small data cable, so I am going to connect only this data cable to this latest Android 15 smartphone, and after that my friend you have to remove your SIM card, memory card from your latest Android Samsung smartphone. Okay, so you can see here I am going to remove all of them. Just a minute. Yeah, okay, you have to remove. After that my friend you have to click OK, and after that you have to start your configuration, but before start the configuration you have to change your region to English United States. Because of that the Google is from United States, so you have to select the same and click OK. Done. After that you have to start your configuration. Click agree to all, click agree, and here is setup manually. Go further, click agree, and you have to connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. Okay, this is very important, so you have to do the same thing, and after that you have to click the next button here. Okay, and after a few moments, after waiting a few while, your phone will asking to enter your PIN, pattern, password lock, but you also forget this, so you have to click this use my Google account instead here, and you can see here my friend your phone will again asking to enter your the Gmail ID account credential, but you don't have this, so don't worry at all. You can see here a small FRP lock icon on your Samsung model, so you have to only doing some important changes to unlock your smartphone. So go back and again go back to the home screen, and here you have to open the emergency call option here, and here you have to type only a very unique secret, service center secret code here, and the code is *#0*#, and done. A new page comes into your mobile screen, so you have to do some important changes here. So first of all you have to click the sensor icon and wait for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and done. Go back to the previous screen, and in this page you have to again open the green icon, so click this green here, and after 2 seconds tap anywhere to go back to the main screen, and you have to again open the emergency call option here, and here you have to type another code here. The code is *93361*555*0 and *#. You have to enter this code into your the Samsung smartphone, and after that call this code and wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Go back and again start your configuration as usual. Click agree, click setup manually, and here wait for a while you have to click the add network option here, and here you have to find this a small setting icon. So you have to click it to open the new page, and after that go to the new option suggest text corrections. So touch to open this, and you can see here there are no any manage apps option here. Okay, so for that go back and go to the last option. This is reset to default setting, and this is very important to reset all settings. So click all setting one by one to reset and erase, and done. Go back, and after that go to upper section and again find suggest text corrections. So click here to open this, but not now. Go back to the the first option, languages and types. So click here to open this, go to the manage input languages, and again after you have to select the same English US with English UK and deselect all other languages here, and after that go to the a screen top corner 3 dot. So click here, click check for updates and wait for update comes. When this update showing, so you have to click to update the okay. After that go back and again open suggest text corrections option, and done my friend, you got it, this manage apps option like this. So you have to click to open this, and you can see here you have to turn off and turn on for one time, and go down, find Samsung Max VPN option. So you have to click to turn off this section, and done. Go back and find the layout section here, and this is the layout option. So click here to open this, and here you have to turn on the alternative characters and go down and activate your www.slash.com. So click here to turn on. This is very important. So go back to the home screen, and here you have to again open your emergency call option page here and type here *333*0* and you have to call this code, and done. Go back and tap the screen for few times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and wait, and done my friend. You can see here the scanner option has been opened. So you have to go back to the home screen and start your configuration as usual, and your smartphone will unlock by using this amazing service center method. Setup manually, click next, and at this moment you have to remove the data cable from your smartphone. Click don't copy here, click a skip again, click a skip anyway, more, accept, okay, and all done. If you have any type of queries regarding this method, comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Then after, our team will definitely reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of model of Samsung smartphone at your home at free of cost. So hurry up. You have to only comment your Samsung specific model name, and our team will reach you within 5 to 10 minutes. This is very easy and effective method to unlock your any Samsung model like S series, M series, J series, F series, and A series. So you have to select the preferred setting, and all going to done. You can see here, and your smartphone is completely unlocked by using this method. So you can see here, after clicking the Google Play, you may be signed in with the new Gmail ID account detail. So if you have any queries, comment us. Our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.